Hi everyone, welcome to COC channel. Today let's crochet the children's ear flap hat. The crown is crocheted with double crochets. You can adjust it according to the head circumference. The body of the hat uses a shell stitch texture. It's simple and easy to follow. The base is made with circular increases. First, chain 2. These 2 chains count as 1 double crochet. So in the first stitch, we crochet 6 double crochets. That makes a total of 7 double crochets. Skip 2 stitches, insert the hook into the next stitch, and crochet 1 single crochet. After finishing the single crochet, skip 2 stitches again. This completes 1 full pattern set. Each set uses 6 stitches in total. The first group is 7 double crochets, skip 2 stitches, single crochet, skip 2 stitches. Now let's crochet the second group. Crochet 7 double crochets. After finishing the 7 stitches, skip 2 stitches and make 1 single crochet. This completes the second group. Follow this pattern to complete the entire round. After finishing the round, join with the slip stitch. For the slip stitch, you can join in the chain stitch or join in the second double crochet. I'm joining in the second double crochet. For the second round pattern, we'll crochet a single crochet on top of the shell. The position is at the 4th chain stitch. Insert the hook here to make a single crochet. So we slip stitch over to this stitch first. After moving over, chain 1. First, crochet 1 single crochet. This is our first stitch. Next, in the single crochet from the previous round, crochet 7 double crochets. One group is 1 single crochet plus 7 double crochets. Continue crocheting this round. Move on to the next single crochet. Find the next shell pattern. Count to the 4th double crochet. Crochet 1 single crochet. Then directly crochet 7 double crochets in the next single crochet. That completes 1 shell group. Follow this pattern to finish the entire round. After finishing the second round, join with the slip stitch at the first single crochet. These 2 rows together form 1 pattern set. Next, repeat these 2 rows. The shell stitch pattern, you can decide how many repeats to crochet. The main body of the hat is now complete. Now we start crocheting the ear flap section. Chain 2, which count as 1 double crochet. Then crochet 3 more double crochets. Crochet a single crochet into the shell pattern. Then crochet 1 shell pattern, 7 double crochets. Then a single crochet. Crochet 4 double crochets in the next stitch. After finishing, turn the work. Crochet 2 shell pattern groups. After finishing 2 shells, slip stitch into the 2 starting chain stitches, slip stitch into the second chain. After joining, turn the work. We need to crochet a single crochet in the 4th stitch, slip stitch over to this position. Slip stitch into the 4th stitch. In the stitch to the left, crochet 1 single crochet. Then crochet 7 double crochets into the middle single crochet. This forms 1 shell stitch. After finishing, crochet 1 single crochet in the 4th stitch, chain 2 and turn the work. In this single crochet, crochet 3 double crochets, then crochet 1 single crochet into the shell from the previous round. Crochet 3 double crochets into the single crochet on this side. After finishing, chain 1, turn the work. Finally, crochet 7 double crochets into this single crochet. After finishing, move up 1 round, slip stitch into the 2 chain stitches. The ear flap section is now complete. Fold the ear flap in half. After finishing, find the back side to crochet the other ear flap. Start crocheting from these 2 positions.